Still you are there? I don't know. Are you there still? Uh, I'm sure 50% of the viewers would have gone now because where is the patience? Patients are not there. My YouTube analytics tells me that the watch time is around 3 minutes of patients are there, then they're gone. And what they're going to learn in this way. Anyway, you are there, that's a good news. You promised that we could play after we finish our homework. When we finish our homework. You permitted. Now you are denying. I do that with my kids. That's the reason why I have taken this sentence. Okay. Could I speak to Mr. Sharma, please? As you know, it's very simple. And of course, we can use many codes. Hey, hi there. Could. How to use could. I'm making 3 videos. How to use would, could and should. This is the second video of could. If you haven't seen the first video, would, link is given here, watch that video. Okay, but here one very different thing is there. This is not a grammar class. This is not a grammar video. This is a different video. Naturally, how to use could naturally. That is what we are going to learn here. Without any grammar. Interested? See here. Steps. First step. Most important step. Don't expect to use it quickly. If you are very basic, don't expect to use very quickly. Don't expect that you will be able to, after finishing this video, you will be able to use it. It's not going to happen. It will take some time. So be ready for that. Okay, now second one. Don't try to memorize it. By memorizing, you can't speak a language. Language is spontaneous. Language is just natural. So don't try to by heart when to use could, different situations, not required to do that. I'll explain you, I'll tell you how to do that. How to use it naturally. Don't try to perfect it. Again, very important. We are not here to solve any ZEE or NEET exams. We are here to develop a language. So you are not required to master it. You are not required to perfect it. It's a language. It is used as a tool to express your feelings. So if you make mistake, no, nothing to worry about it. Don't try to study grammar behind it. Understand the methods, as I said, understand the basic rules which I'll explain you. But don't touch any grammar and talk about the tenses and the verbs and the nouns and all. Don't touch that. Don't study that. Understand how it is used practically, which I will give you an example so that you can understand practically how it is used. So ready? Should we go? Okay, now let us understand the situation in which it is used. See, understand, huh? Not a word, not a grammar, not any particular thing here to by heart, a situation you should know. This situation, for example, to show that something is possible, but not certain, not 100%, but it is possible. To show the possibility, we can use could. The best example, they are here. They could come tomorrow. Possibility it is. They could, maybe, they could come tomorrow. It's a possibility, right? Got it? Or second situation we can see, a lot of crime could have been prevented if right measures were taken. If there was police deployment at the site, whatever it is. That is, see, understand, situation, okay? Show that something is possible. It's a possible, but not 100%. Got it? She could arrive anytime now. She could, possibility. This new method could solve the problem in a better way, quickly. Again, it's a possibility. Got it? Understand the situation. Don't make it a rocket science. Like, be careful while walking. You could have slipped. You could have fallen down. You could have slipped or, I don't know, whatever it is. You could have hit that person. Okay? So, here it is. Getting it? Enjoying it? Be there. Still you are there? I don't know. Are you there still? I'm sure 50% of the viewers would have gone now because where is the patience? Patients are not there. My YouTube analytics tells me that the watch time is around 3 minutes of patients are there, then they're gone. And what they're going to learn in this way. Anyway, you are there, that's a good news. Second situation, okay, someone or something was able to or permit to do, Okay, see here, someone or something. See here, write it down. Someone or something was able to or permitted to do. Don't you worry, I'll explain you with an example. That's a better example. Two examples I'll give you. First of all, when I was young, able to, I could run 10 miles and not get tired. Well, by the way, now also I'm young. 10 kilometers I can't run, but I can run 5 kilometers. Miles. Miles, oh, miles and kilometers, difference is there. Okay. So it's a able to, able, but not now. That place was so noisy that we couldn't, now this is a negative form of couldn't, negative form, not possible, couldn't hear ourselves. We couldn't hear any noise. We couldn't hear what others were saying. That kind of thing, right? Again, it's ability or not ability, negativity. Now, permitted, for example, you promised that we could play after we finish our homework. When we finish our homework, you permitted. Now you are denying. I do that with my kids. That's the reason why I have taken this sentence. Okay, now here we go. We asked the hotel if we could check in early. Permitted. Do you permit me to check in early? Permitted. Got it? Simple. Let us move forward. Another situation. Used as a more polite form when asking for permission. Now it's permission. Okay, here we go. Could I speak to Mr. Sharma, please? As you know, it's very simple. And of course, we can use many codes. Excuse me. Now see, excuse me. Could you hold this thing? Excuse me. Can you just pick up that phone? Excuse me. Can you? Could you? Can and could, both. Both. Can you? It's also polite. Could you? It's also polite. Could you is more polite, right? Use it. Use for making a suggestion. Like you can say, we could go out for a party after work tomorrow. We could go for it's a suggestion, not any permission, suggestion. Or you could use this new method instead of the old one, suggestion, right? Now getting an idea how where could is used. Used for, read this carefully, used for saying what you think someone else should do. Don't worry about it. Just understand the situation. Don't by heart anything. Understand the situation. That is sufficient. For example, well, you could try this shirt. It looks better. A suggestion. Should do. The person should do. Getting it? Got it? Here we go. Now, you could have called me yesterday before coming. Suggestion. But it's like, they should have done this. Not a suggestion, I will say. They should have done this. You should have called me. Why you came without calling me? You are disturbing me. Or now I'm not here. Got my point? Getting it? So, someone else should do is what you can use could for. Right. Now, the most important thing. Forget the rules. Whatever you have understood, that's all sufficient. Don't go and by heart all these things. What you have to do is focus on consumption, which I have told in the previous video also. I repeat again, the point is focus on reading. When you are reading, you will find where could is used. And when you find, oh, could is used here in this situation, now I got it. Now I got it. So when you consume more, when you read more, you will understand how naturally could is used. As I said before, one caveat is there. It's not like quickly you will be able to do that. If your English is poor, it is going to take some time. Focus on listening. While listening, you can see speakers are using it. They're using could. And then you will understand when and how could is used. For example, now don't stop here. Now use it. Now go and talk. Now just speak up and you will make mistakes and it's fine. Absolutely fine make mistakes while using could. Don't try to master and perfect it. Got it? So this is all about use of could. I hope you will go and use it while speaking and while writing as well. My best wishes. Come on. Go and work and go and get better, not perfect. Bye-bye.